OpenTelemetry Collector gathers system metrics and sends them to monitoring platforms. Let's install it and set up host metrics monitoring with Uptrace. First, create a project in Uptrace. This is where the collector will send all monitoring data. Uptrace provides configuration examples, but we'll build the config step by step to understand how each component works. Now let's install the collector for monitoring. Let's verify the collector service is running properly. Now let's edit the configuration file. This is where we'll connect the collector to Uptrace. Before adding the exporter, copy your project connection string from Uptrace. Back in the terminal, add the Uptrace exporter and paste your connection string. Add the exporter to all service pipelines. Save the configuration file and exit the editor. Restart the collector to apply changes. This will start sending data to Uptrace. Check the logs to verify data is being sent. Now let's add host metrics to monitor system resources. Add the host metrics receiver to monitor system resources. This collects CPU, memory, disk, and network performance data. Restart the collector again to enable host metrics collection. Return to Uptrace and open the overview. You'll see host metrics from your system appearing in real time. Uptrace automatically creates dashboards for host metrics. Let's explore them. The collector now gathers over 45 system metrics. Explore CPU, memory, disk I/O, and network traffic across different tabs. Uptrace also creates monitors to alert you when metrics exceed thresholds. These are already active in monitoring your system. The collector is now sending host metrics to Uptrace. Dashboards and alerts are configured automatically. To gather more data, you can add receivers for databases, Kubernetes, and other services. Check the documentation for the full list.